welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, thank you for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. I finally got my BOXYCHARM base box, and I thought I would come on here and unbox it for you guys. I know this month a lot of people's boxes have not been very good. This is the base box. Like I said, it retails for $25 a month plus tax, so about $27 and some change. So let's just go ahead and see what we got. Don't want to be too long on the video. I did get a card, which is really nice. It's really pretty, and it says Flourish right there. This is the one that I got, the whatever it's called. Right there. Okay, hopefully you guys can see. We're just going to pull out, starting with the top, and we're just going to go from there. So this was my choice item. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, and this is in the color Sunbeam. That is what it looks like. It does have a sponge on the bottom. It says here, an instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish. Includes removable sponge for a on-the-go blending. Retails for $27. So glad I didn't purchase this when it first came out. I wanted to. I resisted. So that's really nice to get in the box. It is about the same price I pay for the box, so just getting this would be okay, because it is $27. My box is $27 and some change. So excited to have that. The next item I see in here, it says it's from Ciate, London. It's a bamboo bronzer. That's exciting. And it looks like that, the packaging. Reflective, sorry about that. Very pretty packaging. It says here, this oil controlling formulation is infused with botanical ingredients, including bamboo powder for a shine-free, sun-kissed finish. The super lightweight powder can be swept across cheekbones for a settled glow or built up for contour and chisel features. Retails for $28. The packaging is really pretty. It's very reflective. Don't want to blind you guys. That is what it looks like. It looks like it might be a nice color match. It's a little on the red side, honestly, but I think it would be okay. That is what it looks like there. So not too bad. Yeah, I'm excited to have that. I always love getting bronzers, so that's fun. Very nice. There's that product. All right, the next product I see came out of its packaging, which is okay. This is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mini Kabuki Brush. It says this best-selling brush is perfect for all-over mineral foundation application. This super soft, dense brush distributes product evenly and quickly, making it staple for any makeup routines. It can also be used with powder or to blend face makeup for a more natural look. It's cruelty-free and made with 100% synthetic fibers that will not shed on application. Retails for $20. It does feel very, very soft. That is what it looks like. I don't find myself reaching for these a whole lot. I may pass this to my daughter or something for like her blush or whatever. I don't find that I use these a ton. I do have other Kabuki brushes. I may consider saving it for traveling coming up, but this I may be passing on, which is fine. The next item, I think I already have this in my collection. I got it when I worked at Ulta. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer for sensitive skin. It looks like that. Camera's having a hard time focusing. Okay, it says here, formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients, this complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone and long-lasting makeup when used as a prep step. This I will be passing as well. I will either put it in a giveaway or a friend gift, friend mail, something like that, because I know that I have that, and I think I actually have 2 of them, kind of different. Let me grab them real quick so I can show you guys. These are mine. I do have it, the Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer. I have it right there. That is it. Same full size there. And I have not opened it yet. And then I also have this one from First Aid Beauty, Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer for sensitive skin. This one I have opened, and it just has like a milk-based consistency. It's really, really nice. I always forget about it because it's over there on the other desk. But it's just very hydrating, very milky. Feels really, really good on the skin. So yeah, that I'm going to be doing friend mail or something like that with that. I do love it. If you have dry skin, you will absolutely love it. And they smell really nice too. Okay, last thing in the box that I got is a palette, which I'm very excited about. And I definitely do not need. Hello, Chichi. Yes. Hi. You are hot. You need to go get water. Go get some water. Go. Go get water. Good girl. This is from Cab Cosmetics. It's the Day and Night palette. It looks like that. And I'll open it here for you guys. It says this palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. It retails for $52. Again, that's the outside. Has a really nice mirror. And actually, it looks like somebody put their finger in my palette in one of the shades. The one right here, Luna. It's kind of gross, but it's a really pretty palette. I may not keep it though because I do have a lot of these colors in my collection. I thought it was going to be something a little different because on camera when other people were showing it, the colors are gorgeous. I may consider passing it though for a gift or something because, or friend mail or a giveaway, because I do have so much in my collection in this shades, and who needs 50 palettes with the same shades? No one does. So I will see what I'm going to do with that. But overall, for me, just keeping these 2 items out of everything, if I do decide to give those 3 away, the bronzer and the Tarte product, I'm happy with it. I wish, you know, obviously you want to keep everything because you did pay for it, but these definitely were the amount of my box. So I definitely did feel like I got my money's worth overall. So yeah, let me quickly add and tell you what my overall total was. So my overall total for my May box is $157, excuse me, which I think is really good. And although I'm not keeping 3 of the products, they're going to be great gifts for somebody. So either way, I feel like it was decent. So that is my May BOXYCHARM base box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if we were BOXYCHARM twins or if what you got. Definitely love to hear that. Or if you have a video, let me know that down below. I'd love to come over and watch yours unboxing and see what all you got. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, of course, I would love you to hit that subscribe button as well if you'd like to. And if not, no worries. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. So this is going to complete this video for today, but I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.